Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. My name is Araceli and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscription below and then tap the bell for future notifications of videos I upload. Today's video is on the products I received from Grove Collaborative. If you don't know what Grove Collaborative is, it's basically a store where you get products, household products, and they send you these products on a monthly basis. You can pick and choose what you want. You can also just not get anything in a certain month. But I have been wanting stuff every month. Their website is full of different departments that provide good products that are natural products when it comes to cleaning supplies, and also products that you can get in the store at maybe a slightly higher price. So let me show you what I got today. I recently discovered that they have a beauty side. So I tapped into their beauty side. I have been receiving their cleaning supplies, and this month I had to refill or buy a new bottle of this or that. So the first thing I had to repurchase was this heavy duty degreaser. It comes in a lemongrass citronella scent. This degreaser I have found very helpful to clean my kitchen, to clean my stove top, just about anything that gets greasy. This works well. This also works on like your tires. If you want to wash your car, spray some of this on the tires, all that black stuff will just come off. The other product that I had to repurchase was a Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegar, and this comes in a fresh lime mint scent. You've all heard about how vinegar is a great cleaning product. Well, I know you can make your own mixture, but who has time for that, right? So I just purchased this and I like it. I like the way it smells. I kind of use it just here and there wherever I think I want to clean with vinegar. So this is a product that I've had to repurchase. The other product that I love is their hand soap. The scent on these, I've received two different scents. This one here is their Compassion Flower, and it's so by far is my favorite. So it's a bigger, rounder bottle, so it contains more. It has 12.5 ounces. It lasts a long time, and my family really enjoys it, especially in the hallway bathroom when they're in and out. My husband's always in and out cleaning the yard or doing something. He washes his hands quite frequently, and he says this stuff is soft and smells really good. Another product that I've had to purchase because I'm out of it is this small concentrated glass cleaner. When I first received my box, one of the free products I got was a glass cleaner, and it came in this beautiful spray bottle. This is a glass spray bottle. All you do is you take one of these. This is a 2-pack concentrate. You pour it in here and then you fill it up with water. This has lasted me quite a bit. I'm pretty much out, and so I had to refill it. But isn't this bottle beautiful? I really liked it and take care of it. I don't want it to break because it is glass. But it works really good for your mirrors and your glass. So I've used it quite a bit. And then I have one more cleaning product. Oh no, I have two more. This one is their scrubbers. They give you 2 scrubbers. Oh, it's just one. Never mind. Or is it 2? No, it's 2 scrubbers. 1, 2. And I have been purchasing these since the beginning as well. I believe this is one of the free products I got in the beginning 6 months ago. The last product is actually a new product. It is a Bon Amino powder cleanser. I have not read the ingredients, but it's America's original non-scratching cleanser, no harsh chemicals. I don't know what the ingredients is, but I'm gonna go buy this and say it's no harsh chemicals. So this will be great for your pots and pans if you need it, if you burn something on them. And sometimes when they're not so new, you do need to scrub them. I know when they're brand new, everything just slides off, but after a few uses, we all know what happens. So I want to say this was only like less than $2. I don't have my product list here, but I'm pretty sure it was only like $1.73. So I gave that a try. Okay, now moving on to the grooming products. This is a product that I have had to repurchase as well. I have several other grooming products that I give to my son. This has helped me because it eliminates me having to go to the store with him and buying him things that he needs, and then he adds all that other stuff that he didn't go in there for. So I make sure I'm always have enough product for him so that he doesn't tell me I need to go to the store, because that comes back not so great. All right, let's move into the beauty products. This one I already opened, okay, because I wanted to check it out. It comes in a package like this. It is a beauty blender. It's an Eco Tools beauty blender. And I opened it right away because I wanted to make sure it was soft, and it is soft. I have purchased another one from Ulta and it wasn't so soft. This one is super soft. I like the angles on it. This is the first beauty product I use or I purchased from them. The next one is Burt's Bees Tinted Moisturizing or Tinted Lip Balm. And I brought a mirror so we could see how great this product is. I know you can get this at the store, but remember, you get them at a better price when you get them from this company. So I said, okay, let me try it. Let's see. I didn't wear lipstick, so I can try this on. And there is a tint. You see that? I like it. It's better than wearing lipstick, especially like on the weekends when you just want to run around and you don't want to have dry lips. They had a lot of colors. I know I've seen this in the stores, but I've never seen them with color. So I thought I'd give it a try. So this box was a little bit different from what I've gotten in the past. If you are interested, the link is below. I also want to plug in one more thing for their company, is that every box that I have received from them comes with a personalized note. That goes a long way. I just thought I'd mention that. A company that takes the time to send you a personalized thank you is always a good company. And I receive their emails. They notify me all the time of shipping or of delayed shipping, of just different things like that. And I really appreciate a company that takes care of their customers. So I am not affiliated with them at all. This is just my opinion. I think it's a great product, a great company to work with. And when you go to the store for groceries, you don't have to add all these products where your grocery bill gets so big. I think I go in, I get my food, what I need, and come home. I don't have to stay another 30 minutes going up and down aisles looking for cleaning supplies and reading or trying to reach up high for something. I think this just makes it a lot easier. So thank you so much. That was my video for today. If you have any questions, just ask me below. Again, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, have a great one.